When she stepped in looking like a snack, man damn ready to attack.
Hello, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see by the title, today we're going to be trying out the new Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette, and I picked up the orange one because that's the one that like called out to me the most. I like the pink one, but not as much as the orange one, and I felt like I should just get one. And this is my first time trying out Huda. It's also my first time trying out a more high-end eyeshadow palette, unless MAC counts. MAC probably counts, but like other than MAC, this is my first high-end eyeshadow palette. I'm usually like always rocking with Morphe or Makeup Revolution, and yeah, I haven't opened it. The packaging is actually so cute, and I know they usually retail for £25, but this one's £27, and I'm pretty sure it's because the packaging of this one is plastic and the packaging that usually comes in is paper. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna open it right here on the camera.
Imagine it fell out and smashed.
Comes with a mirror. Look at these shades, so beautiful. So I'm gonna attempt to swatch them on camera, but if it doesn't show up well, I'm going to like re-swatch them and edit it in. So let's start. So yeah, that is all 9 shades, and they didn't swatch the best, but they look quite good. But I have heard that it's a pressed pigment palette, so that's why the swatches might not be so good. But I think the main thing is how do they perform on the eyes. So I'm going to create a little look today, nothing too major but still kind of cute. Let's see how it goes. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC42. So I'm kind of thinking of what look I want to do, but the first color I'm going to go in with is this pink shade on the bottom row. I'm going to put them all over my crease. The pigment, I'm going to fluff that and blend that out. I'm impressed with that pigment, I'm impressed. Yeah, that shadow went on really well. I first stamped it on and then I started swirling it to blend it out and blow it out a little bit. Then I'm going to go into this hot pink magenta shade. It's like a mix between a pink and a purple. I'm gonna put that in my outer V. Should probably put this one down first, but it is still layering quite well. My color is quite vibrant. I will say that I should have probably put that color down first in order to get like maximum pigmentation from it, but it's still quite vibrant, it's still quite neon. Really pretty. Nah, that's pink. And no fallout. No fallout. It is kind of kicking up a little bit in the pan, but nothing crazy. I'm going to go ahead and use that same Pro Longwear concealer and cut the crease. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here on the lid. This shade. Yeah, this shade. It's coming on a little bit patchy, but I don't know if that's the base. gonna try and pack it on. And this colour is also having a little bit of fallout. So what I've done now, I've added a little bit more concealer, so hopefully that will help grab the product a bit better. Oh yeah, it did. It worked. It worked. I don't know what's going on with that orange. It's so pretty, but it is the patchiness is crazy. I don't know if it's the base, so I'm gonna try it again maybe another time with like a different base this whole look and see what happens, because I'm not using an eyeshadow base, I'm actually using a concealer, so maybe that's what's going on. I've watched a lot of videos where they did use concealers and this didn't happen. I don't know. So I'm gonna wet this liner brush with some Morphe spray, and I'm gonna go into one of those metallics and try and use that to carve out my cut crease and see what happens. Which one should I use? I'm gonna use the orange one. This one. It's very chunky. And it's not cooked, like the brushes. It's like fraying out the brush. I'm gonna try and get a different brush and see. So I've got a different brush now, and I'm gonna pick up the product, then wet the brush and see what happens. So I'm gonna go off camera, finish my liner, finish my makeup, and then come right back and then tell you what I think. So I finished off the rest of the look and I'm back. I use the same colors that I used in my crease on the bottom of my lashes, and in the inner corner I used this neon greeny yellowy shade. And my thoughts on the palette as a whole is that it's very vibrant, very bright, the color story is beautiful, packaging is phenomenal, and like the only cons is that it kind of separates, but that may not be the palette, that might be the concealer that I use underneath. So next time I use it, I will try it with a proper traditional So yeah, next time I try it, I will try it with a traditional eyeshadow primer and see how it does, because it might be a bit better. I know that pigments work best with eyeshadow bases, so it was kind of like silly of me to try it with concealer. But yeah, because look, it's separating a little bit. But yeah, I do have hooded eyes and I should try it with an eyeshadow base. It's just that I don't know if I have an eyeshadow base that is bright enough to get all the colors to show up, but I'm impressed with the way the colors showed up on my skin tone. Actually looks really pretty, perfect for the summertime. So this palette is the orange palette. They came out with 3 limited edition palettes: a neon orange, neon yellow or green, neon green, and a neon pink, and I picked up this one because it was the one I was most interested in. I believe it's limited edition. And yeah, so as I was saying, if you would like me to film another video using this palette, maybe with a traditional eyeshadow base, or just to create different looks, just let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about the palette and how it looks on me. I think it looks really nice. I actually think it looks really nice. Apart from the separation issue, the colors are popping on my skin tone. Like, it looks so good. Yeah. So yeah, if you like this video, please thumbs up. Please say something in the comments down below. Share, like, subscribe, you know. Please support me. Thank you. And see you in the next one.